game, talking about Big Rob and Trey made.
And they're with us now to show us some of their moves. Rob and Trey, good to see you all. So excited to be here. Now, the game was pretty good, but the real stars that night are standing with us right now. I think we all agree with that. What have the last 36 hours been like for you?
It's very hard to put into words. We went from trying to decide if we're going to get cotton candy and popcorn. The very next day, we're on a plane. We're on the Today Show. I have no words.
Which one of you is Big Rob?
Oh, baby.
So that was spontaneous inside the stadium that
Yeah,
night?
it's not uncommon for fans to see me on the screen, but it was my first time incorporating my son. It's NCAA's basketball biggest night, and we thought it would be great to, just try to change it up. And if they put us on, let's do something fun. No idea.
Okay.
This
Boy,
would happen.
do you mind?
We ain't got much right now.
Let's do it.
We'll get out of here.
Got me like, oh my God, so good. Found you finally, make me wanna say oh my God.
All right, Big Rob and Trey, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
Break it down. We'll see you tomorrow.
It's you.